Morning. Today's DT topic is in two-wheeler engine, how the electrical systems are working. That is the topic. In two-wheeler engine, usually in the petrol engine, spark plug and the battery systems are available. While starting the engine, we must have the battery with a sufficient power storage will be available. When the ignition switch is on, power is transferred from battery to the ignition coil and the spark plug. In two-wheeler engine, petrol engine particularly, without this spark plug, the engine cannot work. So, the spark plug must be available in the two-stroke petrol engine. This is the two-stroke petrol engine. Initially, when we are giving the ignition, when the start button is on, the power current supply from battery to the spark plug and the engine is transferring through the battery. So, battery is the important component in the two-wheeler electrical system because battery will store all the electric currents whenever the engine is started. Once the engine is started, the battery will start to auto charge mode will be operated. So the battery will get 100% charge. So while ignition switch is on, power supply should be coming from battery to the engine through the wires. These are the wires connected to the spark plug and start the electrical system. Start the electrical systems include the lights and all the electrical components whatever available in the two-wheeler system, all the power supply from battery only it is supplied. Usually alternating current is converted into DC current. The DC current power supply only is supplied to the engine. So suppose it is a single cylinder engine, so one spark plug is available. If it is a multi-cylinder engine means according to the number of cylinders, the number of spark plug will be available. It is a single cylinder engine, so here there is only one spark plug will be available. The current will be transferred from battery to the spark plug through the electrical wires. This is the concept of the electrical system in two-wheelers. Another important component is the lighting system. Because whenever the two-wheeler is riding in the night time, we must switch on the lighting system. For that also the electrical system is used. The power supply from the battery to the lighting system through the battery only we are connected. That is the concept of the lighting system. So basically here in this experiment, the eddy current dynamometer we are using for giving the load. So if you apply the load gradually, then what will happen? The number of the load concentration is more, the engine power return is also to be more. It is the direct concept. So when we are giving the eddy current dynamometer load, when the load applied, the amount of fuel consumption will be more, and also the carbon discharge from the battery to the electrical system also. That is the concept. In two-wheeler, the electrical system also applied for the horn purpose. So horn is another important component. And the lighting system, spark plug system, charging system. There are two types of charging system is available. One is ignition system is available. One is battery coil ignition system. Another one is magneto coil ignition system. This is two types of ignition systems are available. Battery coil ignition system is the power supply is from the battery. In magneto coil ignition system, the coil itself generates the power from the engine. That is the magneto coil ignition system. Okay, these are the two concepts of the magneto coil system. The magneto coil ignition system. When the engine is started in the on condition, then only the battery will be charged. That is the magneto coil ignition system. In battery coil ignition system, the battery already having some electrical storage. When the engine is switched on, battery start to get charged. That is the battery coil system.